I love drinking juice, so I love to make it myself to be sure that there are no added sugar other than the one in the fruit or in the juice. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be juicing these fruits and vegetables. So yeah, I have fluted pumpkin leaves, that is oko. I have pineapples, watermelon, carrots, beetroots, lemons, and the ginger. So we're going to be juicing all this. I'll make the juice into two different um two 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 parts. Okay, I'll make the juice into two parts. I'll be juicing fluted pumpkin leaves and some maybe one pineapple, then I'll juice the rest together. So I'll go ahead now to prepare this, wash them, cut the ones that I need to cut, and then we continue. So keep watching. Before I juice the fluted pumpkin leaves, I'm going to blanch it. I've already selected them and washed very well. So I'll go ahead and add it into this my boiling water. I'll make sure I soak it very well into or inside the hot water. This will take less than a minute. You can do this just about a minute, just to be sure we're not going to drink raw vegetable. After about a minute, I'll just take it out, sieve it out from this water, and then we continue with the juicing, or we start the juicing. And here I have all my fruits and vegetables ready. So let's start juicing. I will start with the oko or fluted pumpkin and the pineapple. And I stir the brew, spin the leaves and fruit so true. A potion of emerald glowing bright. Sip the green, it feels so right. A little bitter, a little sweet. Every drop a healthy beat. Green elixir in my cup, lifting me as I drink it up. Life in a glass, so pure, so clean. Feel the power of the green. Spinach swirls and apples dance. Cucumber cools like a healing chant. Mint whispers soft to my weary soul. Every sip makes my body whole. A little sour, a little bold. Fuel for the heart, fuel for the soul. Green elixir in my cup, lifting me as I drink it up. Life in a glass, so pure, so clean. Feel the power of the green. And here we have our ugu juice, which I made with fluted pumpkin leaf and the pineapple. This helps a lot to boost blood, so we are drinking that for blood boosting. If you want to boost your blood, or if you want to increase your blood count, take this juice for at least 1 week and you will see a lot of difference. And so I will go ahead now and juice the remaining fruits and the vegetables. Yes, because we have beetroot there. So I'll go ahead now and juice the remaining. I have my carrots, the watermelon, beetroot, see pineapple, ginger, and the. In the morning light.
ocean of emerald glowing bright. Sip the green, it feels so right. A little bitter, a little sweet. Every drop a healthy beat. Green elixir in my cup, lifting me as I drink it up. Life in a glass, so pure, so clean. Feel the power of the green. Spinach swirls and apples dance.
And here we have our juice ready for the week. Note that all this juice has essential vitamins and minerals that are good and help to boost our blood system, our immune system, and our digestive system. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.